Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. If you are new, please be sure to like, subscribe and join my channel. I would love to have you. For today, I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to do a dump and go recipe for you. Now this recipe I'm going to make in my Instant Pot, aka crock pot pressure cooker, but you can also make it in the slow cooker. This is the first time I'm making this recipe, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. And I think it's going to be delicious because who doesn't enjoy a nice orange marmalade together with some barbecue sauce? It must be sweet, it must be tangy, it's gonna be lovely, and it goes well with chicken. So we'll see how it turns out and I'll give you a review at the end. For this dump and go orange chicken that I'm going to make in my pressure cooker, also known as an Instant Pot or crock pot, I'm going to use 500 to 700 grams of sliced chicken breast. Now I cut it into bite-sized pieces. You can put it into the pot whole, but then you will need to shred it afterwards, so this is just easier. And I dump it into my pot. Next, I'm going to put an entire jar of orange marmalade into the pot as well. This is my trick for opening a stubborn bottle. And now it opens easily. I just broke the seal. Now I'm adding 1 cup of barbecue sauce to the pot. You can use any barbecue sauce you love. Next, I'm adding reduced salt soy sauce to the pot, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup. So this is a true dump and go recipe. I'm just mixing it through, and then we're going to cook it for 20 minutes on high pressure. I add the lid, I lock it, and then I make sure my valve is set on sealing because I want it to come to pressure. So now we are going to press either the manual button or the pressure cook button. It's already set on high pressure, so I do not need to adjust that. And we want to take it down to 20 minutes. That's all you need to cook the chicken because it's thawed. If it was frozen chicken, you would need to cook it for 25 minutes. And then I press start. Now the pot will start heating up and it will start counting down from 20 minutes to 0, and then it will be done. It will go on keep warm. After the cooking time is done, I will do a quick release by opening up this valve, let all the steam out, and once it's safe, I can open the lid and give the chicken a stir. You will notice the keep warm button has turned on, and now I will do a quick release by opening up the valve on the top and letting the steam out so that the pressure will go down and the pot will release and I can open it safely. The steam is fully released, the pin has dropped, so it's safe to unlock the lid. I wish I had smell-o-vision so that you could smell the delicious smell. It's like barbecue and marmalade all together. It smells delicious. Serve this orange chicken with rice and steamed green beans. Also remember to get that delicious sauce onto the rice. And there you are, a delicious meal of orange chicken, rice and green beans. Enjoy your dinner. So for this recipe, it says you need to cut up the chicken into small pieces. So that's what I did for this recipe, and I did it in my multi-cooker. But I feel like if you put the whole chicken breast in and shred it afterwards, I think that would be better because it will absorb the sauce more, and then you can enjoy that flavor even more. So that's something to think about for next time. Now that I've tasted this recipe, I can give you a proper review and just tell you that I think shredding the chicken will be a better option, and also cooking it in the slow cooker instead of the multi-cooker or pressure cooker, because the chicken will be more tender. It was a little bit still too dry for my liking. So I think if you cook it in the slow cooker, cook on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Low and slow would be better because it will absorb all that flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.